Milk soap gives you that extra creamy, soothing lather. It's great if you have crappy skin. It's like washing yourself with milk. Wait, is that even a good thing? The recipe I use is a mixture of coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil. Coconut oil for the clean. Shea butter is a great moisturizer. And olive oil because Walmart was having a sale. Is that me in the back? Of course we're gonna mix it with lye because that's how you make soap. And since we're making milk soap, we're gonna use milk instead of water. This is gonna super fat the soap, and that's what makes it so soothing and moisturizing. I'm just using a regular old 2% cow's milk, but you can experiment with all sorts of different milks and creams. As far as hardware goes, you'll need bowls, spatulas, a hand mixer, and a scale. And of course a soap mold. So my ghetto mod has been bothering me since the clamp's so big. What I'm gonna do is build some half molds for these small batches. Stay tuned, I'll get a video of that too. No promises. This is the recipe I use. You can scale it up or down as you like. It's a bit fancier with shea butter, but I think it's totally worth it. 66 grams of lye, 125 grams of milk, 50 grams of coconut oil, 425 grams of olive oil, 25 grams of shea butter. Weigh out your lye. And normally we'd mix lye with water before adding to oil, and in the case of milk soap, we'll mix the lye into milk. And we know that when lye reacts with water, it gets really hot, makes a ton of heat. It's a problem with milk because this can burn the sugars and it turns it dark and makes it smell weird. So the trick is to freeze the milk in advance. I use an ice cube tray so I can measure it out easier. And you can use the leftover milk cubes for your summer cocktails. Going one step further, putting your milk in an ice bath. It's not 100% necessary, but it does make a big difference. It keeps it way cooler. Now slowly add your lye into the mix. It's gonna take a bit of time, but the lye is gonna melt the milk. Wow, what was I doing? Just ham-fisting this. There we go, it's getting all melty, likey, and subscribe-y to my channel. Perfect. Now weigh out your oils. Since the milk is so cold, I warm up my oils about a minute or so in the microwave. It also helps melt the shea butter. Now pour your lye mixture into the oil, and the rest is like regular old soap. Hit it with that stick blender. We're looking for that thin, pudding-like consistency called trace. Oh yeah, right about there. This is when I add fragrance or color in. And now it's ready to pour into your mold. Oh yeah, that's a great pour, just blocking the camera. Nice one. I've been experimenting with some designs on top. You know, getting a little fancy. I think this one turned out pretty good. It's just a spoon on an angle, but it's nice and wavy and milky, dare I say. Slice it up however you like. Cheese cutters work great for this. I like doing 1-inch thick slices. In fact, my mold is a 1 by 2 by 3 brick. There you go. Wash yourself in the milk of another animal.